Ashka Arora of class 11th and the part of the KPS family since 12 years. KPS has never failed in order to make the children indulge in the activities as well as to make them a better version every day. This time it has come with a new event called Intra-School MUN, which is being conducted on 27th and 28th June, and I am participating as a delegate, and the agenda is the impact of COVID-19 on the economy. I hope that you will also join me in this MUN. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I hope you all are well in the situation of pandemic. The news of Khaitan Intra EMUN generate a flurry of excitement and build one hope on to do something exuberant in the current phase of darkness. As a secretariat member, I promise you that at the end you will come up with bright skills in diplomacy and learn more about the proceedings of United Nations and international relations at same time. As the delegate, I generate a problem-solving attribute of communication skills and good relation with other delegates and yet hope for an interactive session in the committee.
Greetings everyone, I am Sanvi Rastogi and I study in grade 9E. Khaitan Public School is organizing Intra MUN. What's so exciting about it? It's happening virtually this time. Yes, it's happening for the second time, but it's happening virtually this time. I am very excited for this Intra MUN because it's a new opportunity for all of us. A bit nervous also, like how are we going to manage, how things will turn out. But then it's a new experience for me and also the other Khaitanians. I am very happy that Khaitan Public School has given us this opportunity, given me this opportunity so that I can grow my personality even in this crisis, even in this situation. I'm very happy and also I'm looking forward to more opportunities by Khaitan Public School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Gaurangi Verma of class 12th and I hope you all are doing really well. So once again, Khaitan is a new opportunity for all of us. That is the Intra Khaitan MUN on the virtual platform, for which I'm super excited. And I have been doing MUNs and been a part of the Khaitan MUN earlier too. But I think that this one is going to be a different one and a more interesting one because this time it's virtually first, and the second we all are going to be like Khaitanians and we can speak without any hesitation. Also, the topic of discussion is the continuous crisis, on which I think that we all of us can speak and want to speak on this topic right now freely because this is something happening common to all of us. And the pro advantage of this MUN is that it is free of cost. So I am looking forward to it and I'm super excited for it, and I know that it is going to be amazing. So I request all of you to take part because it's going to be a new experience for all of us and a wonderful experience. Thank you.